Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you the new updated way to check in on the United app. First, open the United app and you land on the home screen. Here, tap Check In Now. It's right on the main page. You could also tap Trip Details, but we'll go with Check In Now. After tapping, a small pop-up panel will appear. Here you can choose to add a credit card if you plan to buy snacks during your flight, but this is optional. Next, scroll down and tap Continue. If you have bags to check, select the number of bags here. If not, tap I don't have any checked bags at the bottom. Then, accept the terms and tap Continue. Confirm that you don't have any restricted items. And just like that, you'll be taken to your boarding pass page. You are now officially checked in and ready for your flight. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.